Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pritha. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So guys, as you can see, I'm in Delhi airport right now and I'm going on my birthday trip. We are going to Nepal, Kathmandu for this trip, which is super fun, and I think it's a calling from Shivji because I feel before my 25th birthday, like all the Bhagwans are calling me. I just went to Jagannath Puri and now Pashupatinath, so let's go. And Sandy is here. Oh my god! Auntie's from Nepal. Hi Sandy. Auntie's a new friend.
शादी नहीं हुआ
मेरा शादी नहीं हुआ अभी हम लोग सिंगल है
अच्छी समय के लिए बेटा
अच्छा समय बट आंटी हम लोग अभी तो पूजा पाठ में लग गए
थोड़ा टाइम लगा
पूजा पाठ में
हाँ स्पिरिचुअल सैंडी वी नीड टू फाइंड यू अच्छा एक नेपाली लड़का खोजना पड़ेगा
टाइम है आंटी थोड़ा करियर पहले
कितने दिन के लिए आए हैं
हम लोग 4-5 नेपाल में कब से रह रहे हैं आप
जन्म नेपाल में ही है तो मैं
बाय बर्थ
80 साल का हो गई
वाओ टच वुड अच्छा है नेपाली खाना क्या फेमस है दाल भात एक झोल या कुछ होता है ना झोल दाल झोल ओके
अच्छा लगता है सबसे अच्छा
guys auntie's 80 years old and she's just explored Europe and come for 3 months. I want to be this kind of a traveler at 80 having the power to explore the world.
नेपाल बेस्ट
Welcome to Kathmandu. Guys, immigration is done and it was super easy. Nothing is required for Indians, just passport and boarding pass. Everyone for Nepal has got like rucksacks because I guess they're trekking like this. और मैं और सैंडी का सूटकेस ऐसा है कि हम लोग 10 दिन के लिए इधर ही रहने आए हैं. We've got an entourage of suitcases, 4 suitcases. So it's crazy. This is our ride for the day. Oh. Hello, madam. Our ride is a vibe. He's playing shaky, and Sandy is gone to get some water. We have reached. So guys, this is our room. This is the cutesy washroom. Yeah, the room is huge. इधर हम लोग गरबा भी खेल सकते हैं, इतना जगह है. And the best part about this room is this view. Whoa. Guys, we've changed into kurtas. Whoa! We've become very sanskari now. We are just chilling in the resort today because बहुत tiring था. What's up, bro?
breakfast I'm so hungry
Guys, हम लोग ready हैं day 2 के लिए. A lot of things are planned today, especially Pashupatinath. So let's see. So guys, it's so good breakfast. And all I can eat is fruits because Monday I'm fasting.
and even I can eat only veg.
Now we've come to swim because that's the funsies of a chitti, of a girls trip. And this is the view. Can you believe it? There's a swimming pool, there's the pahad, there's the sun, and that's that. Amazing. So guys, we dressed up to go to the mandir. But what has happened is Nepal में कोई protest शुरू हो गया है, student protest, and now there's a curfew, so now we can't even leave our resort and go anywhere.
But we're gonna make sure we make the most of the resort today.
Yeah, today we are just going to chill in the resort. एक दिन हमारा पूरा मतलब waste हो गया sightseeing का इसकी वजह से, but I think that's the good time. We're gonna do some skincare.
Together.
Yeah, and we're watching the sunset.
It's beautiful.
The sunset is lovely, guys.
And so are we.
And we made a reel also. Look at this, where we are staying. The clouds. Wow. Guys, we are going to a temple close by. We have come to this temple. It's called Buddha Nilkant Mandir. And it is the mandir where Vishnu Bhagwan is inclined, like he's sleeping. Sola Somvar chal raha hai, so till I don't do the puja, like Shiv Ji ka Abhishek, my vrat is not complete. So we had to make it, even though curfew and all hai. But here it's peaceful because it's outskirts. Isn't it so pretty?
So, the energy here is so divine. And I can just feel the positivity that is...
Exploring the markets here, lane by lane, और चूड़ियाँ मिल रही हैं, shawls मिल रहे हैं, very cute. जैसे it's feeling like वो movie नहीं था ये जवानी है दीवानी where मनाली की market है, it feels like that. Come to this cutesy cafe just behind the temple. Sandy, isn't it cute?
It's very cute. It's very local and I feel like there's something different. Never seen it.
Yeah, we've come to try local momos.
Food.
Yeah. Oh, Sandy
actually,
can only eat. I can only spectate. Momos here, local. Guys, so between the curfew and the mahal outside, Sandy and I are enjoying our breakfast here.
I'm just hungry at this point.
Yeah. So now we are in a lockdown and there are army cars here. Whoa. We are fine, but we are under curfew here in the hotel.
We're all good. We're all
Yeah,
good,
we are under lockdown in Kathmandu and Prime Minister का घर वो देखिए जला दिया गया है इधर. That's the fire flames. That is fire 1, fire 2, and that's fire 3. That's the closest one. And there are choppers everywhere, but we're just trying to be chill about the situation, but I don't think it's that chill. I just want to address the situation. You know, we are laughing and smiling is because that's our stress kind of showing, because we are worried because this trip has turned into something different. We came here for spirituality and being all calm and chill, but it's just turning out to be something we're not being able to explore. But I think that's all aside. Safety is first. Our first concern is to just get back home at the earliest, because all we can see is like fire and helicopters flying by, and we saw army trucks and everything going. So now our priority is just to be home, because I think that's
we're just gonna stay in resort. We're just gonna stay calm, because if we kind of blow up, I don't think both of us would be in our right minds.
Yeah, because we both are like akele and everything has to be handled, and our parents are also worried. But
so we don't want to worry our parents.
Yesterday I was very concerned. You know, like I'm on my Sola Somvar. I can't go to something that I planned, like Pashupati Nath.
Oh my god.
No, I am here in Nepal for Pashupati Nath, and I've been like manifesting it so much, and I was like, why is God not like calling me? But that's what my mom told me. Jab bulawa aata hai, then it just comes. Maybe it's not the right time, it's not the right vibe. So I think it's whatever happens is for the right thing and a reason only. But I think
I will tell
safety
you
is the priority right now, and we need to be back home.
But I will tell you this, that we could not go to that Pashupati Nath temple, which we actually came here for, but we did go to Buddha Nilkantha temple, and it was just beautiful.
एब्सोल्युटली भगवान देखो कहीं ना कहीं बुला ही लेता है. इट्स इन अ डिफरेंट मीन. बट अभी करंटली लाइक इन द मॉर्निंग ऑल्सो व्हेन वी वोक अप वी वर लाइक कि हाँ ठीक हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. बट लाइक सीइंग एवरीथिंग लाइक दे आर बर्निंग होटल्स एंड स्टफ, it is kind of really scary. We're just trying to put the energy down by like laughing and saying it and all, and I hope you guys understand. I didn't want this vlog to be like that. I wanted to be at a birthday vlog and learning new things, but I think if this is written, is written. It's destiny, guys. Now we are evacuating this hotel, everyone who's staying here, because they just vandalized a hotel in the center, so just precautionary. It's getting scary now. तो आर्मी ने टेक ओवर कर लिया.
हाँ जी.
ये होटल
ना वो गवर्नमेंट
द रोड where we are going.
ये सिटी से नजदीक है या काफी दूर है?
ये सिटी की नजदीक है, ज्यादा दूर नहीं है, यहीं पर है. सिटी यहीं पर है,
बट हम लोग सेफ है इधर ना.
सेफ है.
अच्छा,
नहीं कोई दिक्कत हो तो फिर वो नीड है ना.
फायर.
ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर वो शेरबाल देवा है ना, उसका घर है.
उसका घर
शेरबाल देवा का घर है वो.
ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर का
घर है. ओल्ड है ना पहले का. अभी तक
we've been moved to this hotel.
गेस्ट ले रहा गेस्ट.
In situation, guys, we were just evacuated from our previous hotel because that belonged to a minister. And they are currently vandalizing hotels that belong to ministers and politicians. Are at the lemon tree. Sandy is only like कि room कितना अच्छा है. That's cute, Sandy. But now we have come more towards the city. But this hotel doesn't belong to any minister. And this is where you can clearly see what's happening. Clearly. Just heard like gunshots and everything. And yeah. Did you hear?
Yes. What was that?
Gunshots. Guys, this is the situation now. It's 7 PM and still there are tourists who are coming to this hotel, evacuating from hotels around, and this is how the city looks. There was this is the fire, and just don't know what this thing is turning out to be. A very hectic day. Now we have decided to get ready and just go down in the hotel and eat. But हम लोग जो इतने सारे कपड़े लाए थे और अपना मूड लाइट करने के लिए हम लोग ने वो पहने हैं, and just to like you know relax, because today was really stressful when we evacuated and reached this hotel. Sandy and I both like we had like a breakdown. Like I thought like blacked out only. I was just chanting.
But
she was praying.
We were chanting, praying, and I feel that we feel much better and it's more positive right now.
You name the Bhagwan and I prayed to that Bhagwan. I was like, sub try karo. Like it was kind of very stressful, and seeing the news, it's not easy. But thankfully, I hope the situation is better. The hotel is very supportive and there are a lot of foreigners and tourists here. So we are just going down, having a meal. We just had breakfast in the morning and now we're going to have dinner.
And we're having this a second meal.
Yeah, second meal of the day. So I hope
everything sorts out and we are like Nepal is back to normal tomorrow.
Sandy is talking to the wall.
I can see that.
जो भी होए, खाना बहुत important है. To the pool to just meditate little and breathe, because room में बैठे बैठे थक गए हम लोग. And you can still see some places are still on fire here. So guys, we are just chilling.
Dress up okay.
Yeah, that's our life nowadays. Just dress up, go to the restaurant, eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, go back to the room, dress up, sleep. But where will you get this view? Yeah, we're not complaining, guys.
Not complaining.
How can we complain जब ऐसा view है?
No, exactly.
Like
right next to the mountain.
I know our parents are freaking out at
But
home.
we are just here.
We are here. अब कर क्या सकते? So good days, peace, and whatever this trip has turned out to be. Bonfire! See, it's all good now. It is all good. Checking out. Sandy, ready to go back? It's raining since last night like crazy, but airports have opened, so we are trying our luck. And 10 बजे से कर्फ्यू अगेन है, तो हमें रश करना है एयरपोर्ट बिफोर द कर्फ्यू. बहुत मुश्किल से हमें गाड़ी मिली है एयरपोर्ट जाने के लिए, सो आई होप वी मेक इट नाउ. So guys, we've reached the airport and this is the rush at the airport right now. It's crazy. So guys, we are at the airport and everyone's going crazy.
Yeah, and also the flights have been delayed.
But somehow we've reached here. I'm just too emotional right now. So we are just chilling in the airport after checking in. And guys, you know what has happened. So we are stuck here. But हमारा news बन चुका है Calcutta on front page. Mumbai में भी in fact. On front page of Telegraph, there's a big article. I'm going to put it up here, where we have given an interview and now
हमारा Instagram ID भी डाल देते हो.
And now everyone is thankfully like so sweetly like messaging us and saying if I'm fine, and thankfully because of so many prayers now we are hopefully going back home. Shopping airport में जाते जाते everyone's just doing shopping. Finally going home, guys. Finally. Home. How it started with the auntie. And now guys, हम लोग ने इतना प्लान किया था पशुपतिनाथ जाएंगे, ये देखेंगे वो देखेंगे. I think जब भगवान का बुलावा नहीं आता है तो नहीं आता. I think Shiva has something better for us and safety is first, so we are just going back home. Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, Om Namah Shivaya. This birthday trip has given me like a eye opener that life is important, masti is not so important. Yeah, घर जाना अब 25 साल बनना है अब. Guys, मतलब जो भी सिचुएशन हो मेरे को तो बहुत मज़ा आया. Like होटल में रहने and in like daily life when you're so busy you don't get so much time with your friend. So 4 days, 24 hours with Sandy.
I think that was the best part. We got a lot of quality time. It was fun. It was fun hanging out together after like again.
Like uni life.
Uni life.
Welcome back, bro. अपना देश होता है guys. इंडिया आके कैसा लग रहा है? Exactly. I have a connected flight to Calcutta. She's going to Bombay. Bye, Sandy.
It's hardest goodbye, man.
Yeah.
Like, I was, even though we were in quarantine, it was the best.
अरे इतना मजा. It felt like college only. Bye, bro.
Bye.
घर जाके कॉल करो. I have just landed in my city. Oh, and nothing better than home. First time my bag has come first. I think आज मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा है. पापा आए हैं मेरे.
I get you.